This is the brief on ZRX protocol, ZRX. Okay, so what's ZRX all about? Well, it launched way back in 2017. Its big idea? To fix how liquidity, basically digital money for trading, was scattered all over the place across tons of different decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. They want a world where all kinds of tokenized value can just flow. First off, its success really comes down to being this sort of invisible engine for some huge names in Web3. See, ZRX is like an infrastructure as a service thing, mostly for developers and businesses. So you don't always see it, but it's working hard behind the scenes. Think about it. It powers token swaps inside apps you probably use, like MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, even Robinhood Wallet. And get this, it's processed over $154 billion in trading volume. That's massive. Second, how does it pull this off? Well, ZRX uses this really smart hybrid tech to get you the best prices and keep things efficient. It's kind of cool. Orders get generated and passed around off-chain, which is super fast and cheap. But the final trade settlement? That happens securely on-chain. Plus, they have their own special system called Request for Quote, or RFQ. This thing mixes regular liquidity with private pools from pro market makers. Often this means better prices for you, and importantly zero slippage, especially on those bigger trades. Pretty neat, right? Finally, even with big backers like Greylock and Pantera Capital, it's not all smooth sailing. There are some real risks. Competition's definitely heating up. And then there's regulation. The US CFTC actually fined ZRX Labs 200 grand back in 2023. So what did ZRX do? They smartly started building compliance tools, like chainalysis screening, right into their API. This helps block risky addresses and, keep things above board.
This is a great point to quickly pause and remind our listeners of something. That's right, Sarah. If you're enjoying how we break down these complex projects into simple pieces and want more reviews just like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel, CryptoBox. We do all the complex research, so you don't have to. So yeah, ZRX is still a super important piece of infrastructure backed by serious players using its B2B focus and that unique tech to really lead the way in decentralized liquidity.